Welcome back to Cyber Learning, your go-to channel for all things tech. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to use Snapchat in just 5 easy steps. Step 1. Getting started. Install the app. Head to your App Store, download Snapchat, and open it. After signing in, you'll reach the Find Your Friends screen. Feel free to skip this step. To add friends, tap the person icon with a plus sign. Connect with your contacts or find friends using usernames. Step 2. Snapping your moments. Capture your first snap. Double tap to switch between cameras. For photos, tap the white circle below. Hold it to record a video, release to finish. Step 3. Adding a personal touch. Make it unique. Add text, choose fonts, colors, and position. Want to draw? Tap the stylus icon. To include stickers, time, weather, and more, tap the page icon. Step 4. Sending your snap. Ready to share? Tap the Send To icon. Select friends' names, your entire list, or your story. For friends, tap names, press Send. Share on your story for 24-hour display. Step 5. Exploring settings and chatting. Personalize your Snapchat. Tap your icon at the top left and the settings wheel on the right. Access your profile menu to customize settings and privacy. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials and tips on cyber learning. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content.